Dr. Venkata Duvvuri is the founder of Siriusmindshare, AI apps research company, and recently a director of data science at Oracle Corporation. He results in oriented data science, business, web, and marketing analytics leader with over 12 years of experience in data science, business analytics, digital media analytics, and web marketing optimization with leading internationally recognized corporations. Additionally, he has 10 years of software engineering experience and a top business school MBA. He has experience in management of onshore and offshore teams as well as leadership experience ranging from director to manager at Fortune 100 companies, including marketing agency. He is a cross-functional leader and a subject matter expert in machine learning. He has improved ad performance to the tune of $10 million at University Technologies and $7 million at Oracle leveraging deep learning, Spark MLIB, and TensorFlow operating on big data. He has driven improvement in business and online marketing outcomes to the tunes of several $1 million at eBay in Pride Retail Media. AT&T Cricket Wireless and crushes several terabytes of data at Apple Corporation. He holds a master's in computer science from University of Massachusetts Amherst and a MBA from University of California Davis. Additionally, he has a doctorate at Purdue University. Finally, he serves on the advisor aluminum board at the Graduation School of Management at UC Davis. Please join me in welcoming our speaker, Dr. Venkata Duvvuri.
Thank you for the kind introduction. So today my talk is about storefront attention analysis with neuromarketing techniques and developing latent AI attributes with AI. This is part of my lab, Siriusmindshare lab, and we have researchers working on such efforts. So this research explores storefront design. So if you look at storefronts, which is small stores in your neighborhoods, the focus is to how to improve that storefront design with neuromarketing techniques. It is quite evident that small businesses and mom and pop stores, for them, the storefront, which is the front-facing part of their store, is very critical and the first point of contact with the businesses and with the customers. They need visibility, foot traffic, brand recognition, and customer acquisition via these means. So often the struggle for small business owners is to manage all this with limited resources, limited expertise, and limited access to advanced marketing tools. So here we present a way to use neuromarketing techniques via cheap analytics offering at Siriusmindshare to address these needs of visibility, foot traffic, brand attention, and customer acquisition through neuromarketing and AI techniques. The research involves eye tracking studies and using specialized software which have summarized this eye tracking analysis for several millions and millions of images. And we use these eye tracking studies to analyze the storefront and ultimately improve storefront. The visual attention patterns with small businesses is the key takeaway for neuromarketing techniques. And also we look at we analyze the images for aesthetics and visual quality and understand them better. Finally, we present several key factors which improve signage, branding, and the designs of these storefronts. So the problem is that generally storefronts are cluttered. There is poor lighting or inconsistent branding. This is our one finding, that if you have storefronts which are not aesthetically clear, it will affect attracting customers. So AI driven neuromarketing heat map technologies can help alleviate this problem. So the executive summary is that by utilizing neuromarketing techniques, we can improve the effectiveness of storefronts and alleviate the problem of poor aesthetics and improve customer engagement. Neuromarketing techniques have been applying attention heat maps for several decades, and research references citations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have all point to that this techniques has gained recognition in recent times. Specifically, there are models like neuroimage assessment, NEMA, and pack to pick techniques have proved itself to evaluate image quality and predict attention. We use these techniques in our research. Also, paper 10, citation 10 has pointed out that architectural style, color schemes, and designs are important in attracting customers. Paper 11 points that proper signage is important as well. Finally, paper 12 is um, helping or pointing to the fact that storefronts help improve brand recognition. With all this, what we did was, as part of our data collection, we visited 144 stores in San Francisco Bay Area, and we analyzed the 144 store images from San Jose area, and specifically uh, uh, 75 stores in San Jose and 22 stores in Santa Clara and 14 stores in Sunnyvale. These stores are restaurants, cafes, and retail. We take pictures of the storefronts, and so for 50% of them are restaurants, 27% are salons, and 23% are retail stores. This is our data set through collection. Then we analyze the quality of these storefronts, existing storefronts, using pack to pick image quality analytics. Um, we found that at least 50% of the stores are poor or fair quality storefronts. It means there is half the stores in your neighborhood that can improve their storefront designs by using techniques. So once again, these improvement in the quality of the stores is across the board, whether it be restaurants, whether it be retail stores, or whether it be salons. All of them need improvements, as you find in these box plots. Now, we use Neurons AI to see which sections of the storefronts customers give attention to, and using heat mapping. So for example, there are 4 images on the left side, which are good storefronts of See's Candies and Pizza Store. And if you see on the right side, the See's Candy brand is not highlighted. It's not super visible because maybe it is too uh, eh, in immersed in the background. It is not standing out. The second thing is the pizza store, its brand stands out because its heat map is in red attention. So you see that some stores are good, some stores are bad, and that is visible through this attention heat map analysis through Neurons AI. Neurons is something which we use as behind the scenes platform with insights, attention insights from several million images that they have developed with AI. What we did was, on top of this attention heat map, we created we created word clouds which help focus on what aspects of the storefronts are visible. For example, the aspects or the attributes of the storefront which are visible are signage, logo, window simplification, window display, curb appeal, and so on. So we help to surface what attributes or aspects of the storefronts are standing out by looking through the view of attention heat maps. A bold signage, service clarity, these are all lighting, these are all standing out. And some of the ones in yellow are not standing out, which is a concern because the customer might want to look at them. So what we have done so far in the research is collected images, analyzed them through attention heat maps, created tags or labels of attributes. And now our job is, what we did in this research is to predict these attributes through a AI or ML model in the latent space. Latent space means these are attributes which have no names. They are in the latent space. They are a mix of attributes like bold signage or window uh, or lighting. They are a mix of those, and these are topic 3, 5, and 6 here. These topics are latent attributes which we try to predict using models, and we try to do that before and after attention heat maps. So this whole research is about getting started analyzing the stores and how effective can you get by using cheap AI ML tools to predict them. In this case, the prior predictions of these latent attributes, which are indicative of the storefront goodness, is around 20 to 30% accuracy and around 0.5 AUC. And once we apply neuron attention heat maps and use the post-processed images to predict the storefront latent topics, our accuracy with these attention attributes increases from zero point 0.2 to zero point 0.4 in terms of accuracies, and 0.7 in terms of AUCs, which means using neuron or other attention heat maps, we can predict the latent attributes more perfectly with respect to improving the storefronts through AI tools. And this might ultimately be, or is ultimately a product in our software that we are planning to develop. So in conclusion, what we have done is 3 things. One is we have collected store images. We have analyzed them through quality metrics like pack to pick and NEMA. We have created ML models to predict attributes and their latent attributes and see how attention attributes can improve the prediction of performance. So several things have been accomplished. This is the first in a series of such research topics that we are going to investigate. We have figured out that through this research, we lay out that 50% of the storefronts needs improvements. Secondly, AI techniques can help predict these missing pieces quite effectively by building better and better models. So that is our conclusion. And of the Secondary conclusion, XGBoost model is consistently outperforming other models in predicting the latent attributes. So that's our research, and I like to acknowledge the team here which has worked on this research, and thank you.